Good afternoon, ma'am. Today, I'm Edison Silvamin from Base A1 Block B. Today, I will share the concept that I want to apply in my daily life from listen to and listen to. From listen to sociological perspective, the two concepts that resonate with me the most are social self and social identity. The first concept is social self. This means that people around us shape who we are, or our family, friends, teacher, and classmates influence our behavior, personality, and values. I want to apply this concept by being kind, respectful, and help to everyone. Will think before I speak because my words and action can affect other people. I also want to build good relationship with my family and friends because they help me become a better person. The second concept is social identity. This is about being part of different groups such as family, school, community, and country. This concept reminds me to become proud of who I am while respecting people who have different culture, belief, and tradition. We may have different backgrounds, but we all deserve kindness and respect. I want to accept people who they are and avoid judging them. From lesson 3, anthropological perspective, the two concepts that resonate with me the most are biological self and identity struggle. The first concept is biological self, which means that I had different roles in my life. I am student in school, I am family member at home, I am friends to the people around me. Each role has different responsibilities. I want to apply this concept by understanding myself better and making good decisions in every situation. I will try to balance my responsibilities and always do my best in every role that I had. And the last concept is identity struggle. Sometimes the people confused about who they are or what they are want to become. I believe this is a normal part of growing up. There will be challenge, mistake, and difficult decisions, but I will not let them stop me. Instead, I will learn from my experience and continue improving myself. I will also ask for guidance from my family, teacher, and trusted friends whenever I need help. Core concepts are important because they teach me valuable lessons for every life. Social self reminds me to build good relationship. Social identity teaches me to respect myself and others. Biological self helps me understand my different rules, and identity struggle reminds me that challenge can help me grow. I will apply this concept every day so I can I can become a more responsible, respectful, confident, and understanding person. Thank you and have a great day.